Guys, I finally got my hands on the viral Baseus vacuum. This vacuum has a few unique features. The last one is my favorite. It has a high and low power setting. If it senses a struggle, it will automatically ramp up the power. It's got a brush attachment which is perfect for dusting intricate areas. A light, in case you have to clean in the dark. But the best thing, this vacuum also blows, which is great for those hard-to-reach areas. If you're wanting a quality handheld vacuum, then this is the one for you. Click the yellow basket below to get yours.